Okay, we are coming back. We are working our way through Lab 4. This is going over the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, installing and configuring Windows 10 in preparation for exam 70-698. This video is going to look specifically at exercise 4.2, which is configuring the power settings. So we should already be logged into CL1 from the previous exercise. So I'll go ahead and just pull that up. I'm trying to get the maximum screen again, but it doesn't seem to want to work. Alright, so we're going to click on we want to go into the control panel. So I'm going to right click. I'm going right into power options. The lab manual wants to go into hardware and sound, and then power options. I'm just going to go right into power options. Now we want to click the button that says choose what the power button does option. Okay, so by default, what happens when the power button is pressed? Look at additional power settings. There we go. This is where we should be. Choose what the power button does option. Right here. So we'll go ahead and click on back. This should help you answer question 6. Which power plan is being used by the systems? Now we want to click the small down arrow next to show additional plans. Which power plan was hidden? We want to create a power plan option. So we're going to go up here, create a power plan. And you'll see balance is already selected because this is what's recommended. And we want to type in my power plan and then next. On the change settings for the plan page, we want to click on the create button. And from this location, you're going to take your next screenshot if you're required to do so. Now, next to my power plan, click on change plan settings. And you want to change the advanced power settings. At what point is the hard disk turned off when it's not being used? We want to change that setting to 30 minutes. From this location, you're going to take a screenshot if you're required to do so. Now we want to expand the wireless adapter settings node and expand power savings mode. Which power saving mode for the wireless adapters is the setting system set to? So we'll go ahead and click on OK and then close this window. And that is the end of Lab 4.2. The next video we will be going over 4.3, which is configuring internet.